getting your books in order. As an entrepreneur, regardless of the business that you are in, you want to be successful, and your focus is always going to be on growing the business. However, one of the often overlooked keys to success is solid accounting or financial management. There are 3 interrelated elements of solid financial management that I would like to focus on today. 1. Choosing accounting software, even a very basic package. 2. Setting up a solid chart of accounts. And 3. Budgeting and forecasting. Let's start with an accounting system. Many people ask, why should I use a system? Why not just use Excel spreadsheets? The answer is, using even a basic system will enable you to track your revenues and expenses so that you can easily analyze your business to maximize profits. Utilizing a system is also less prone to errors, and it will enable you to easily generate a balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow with the push of a button. Once you choose an accounting software, the next step is to set up a chart of accounts, which if done properly is a very powerful tool for analyzing your business and increasing profitability. The chart of accounts will determine how you categorize entries and expenses and is key to accurate and meaningful reporting. I strongly recommend that you take the time and effort to set up the chart of accounts properly, and if you need assistance, reach out to your accountant. You want to start with a solid foundation. Lastly, the third step is budgeting and forecasting. This is the process where you estimate in advance what you think your costs and expenses will be as compared to your revenues. This can be done for a period of 6 months, a year, or multiple years in advance. Each situation is different. Once you have a budget, you will then compare the budget to an actual amount on a monthly basis to understand and address fluctuations against the budget. There are often times when we see a business that is growing their revenues, however, the business is not profitable. If this is the case, a budget will assist in identifying where the issues are. Perhaps there is one product line that is losing money. A conscious decision can then be made whether or not to keep that product line. I cannot emphasize enough the importance of a budget and the need to be constantly reviewing it. It should be your best friend. Now that you have an accounting system in place and properly set up chart of accounts, we want to focus on automation. There are a lot of tools available to assist with automating processes at low cost that should not be ignored. 2 basic areas are the processing of invoices and payroll. You can easily set up to pay your bills electronically, which can save a lot of time, ensure a higher level of accuracy, and make it easier to track expenses. Payroll can be outsourced to many different online platforms, or as you grow, a PAO is a great option as well. Outsourced payroll is definitely considered a best practice, especially for small to mid-sized companies. In conclusion, we have discussed selecting an accounting software, setting up a chart of accounts, and the benefits of budgeting and forecasting, as well as automation. The best case is for all this to be done from day one. The reality is that many times it is not, since of course the main focus when starting a business is the core business itself. So, if you have not taken these steps yet, don't stress. It's never too late, and with a good accountant, you can implement these changes in order to help take your company to the next level. In addition, taking these 3 steps to assist you in running your business will also make your business more marketable to lending institutions and more valuable in the overall marketplace and well worth the effort.